So I've gotten another package from a rather new seller on eBay who buys out estates. And he's been slowly selling off some of the ancient Mexican pottery that he's collected from one estate. From a guy who used to travel a lot down to some city called Tampico. Package is upside down, the label's on the side, so I figured that was top. We'll see how he packed it. I must say the brown paper over the normal box is interesting. You don't see very many brown paper parcels anymore. You really just throw grass at me? I watched you throw the grass at me. Where did this come from? Yeah, you're next. Okay, lots of brown paper. It's always a good thing. I prefer bubble wrap myself, but oh, there's some bubble wrap. That would be the stand for something I haven't actually identified yet, which would be this thing. It really reminds me of an ear spool, which is what a lot of Native Americans and Mesoamerican cultures used to wear in their ears, but there's not a little protrusion here that would help hold it. It would be very difficult to hold this in one's ear, but this would be a very early gauge. So gauges are not a new invention, not by any means. So last time, yep, tape. Nothing to cut this time. His packing methods are evolving. Hey, dog hair. I know that he has pets. I'm sure lots of people wonder about our pets whenever I ship something, because they're always getting their hair on the tape.
What about when it's in a dog food package?
That's true. That too. Okay, we can see that this was pit fired, which is usually indicated by the fact that a lot of it's kind of a almost burnished black look. And then had this crack not been repaired, the inside of this pot should have in the very center of the clay a dark black coloring like that, which is indicative of pit firing. Now this piece I haven't quite figured out who made it yet. I'm guessing it's going to be one of the desert Southwest cultures, but I don't think it's from southern Mexico. I think it's more from northern Mexico. Now the seller told me that he dropped and broke it, so you can see that it's split into at least 3 pieces. But I think he did a pretty nice job repairing it. So these are my latest acquisitions. Really, my face? Thank you, Jake.